Last week, at the beginning of the week, they started doing construction overnight from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. The noise is like really loud. I've used earplugs. One of the big things though is that because the noise is so loud, there's so much vibration that is just through the building. It's really hard, even if you're taking, some measures to sleep at all. It's definitely been really hard at work. I've had to leave early some days, take some time off in order to try and sleep. It's not only affecting me, but also, of course, other residents in my building. There's about 75 units in this building. So we sort of coordinated a bunch of calls to 311. Unfortunately, as we were all informed, TransEd has a waiver for the noise bylaw, so they're not actually doing anything technically illegal. What I got from TransEd was basically, we're very sorry, and when I kind of pressed on like, what are we going to do to address our concerns here, they said that they were looking into it. So yeah, it doesn't necessarily seem like they want to do much about it.